What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mike Lowy. We're back February 14th, KSM Trading 25. Find us on Instagram. We're going to go over today's trades per usual. We went 4 for 4 today, baby. Like Wendy's. Let me get that little 4 for 4, right? If you want to eat, come talk to me. So here we go. We'll go in order of the trades that I took. And actually had a line up here. There we go. So here we go. Said loading the video 137 calls at 8:52. So that was about around here. I was loading them. Boom. I believe it. Yep. So I was getting ready for calls here. We came down to this previous support. Bounced perfect. So this is where I entered. I didn't want to tell the chat yet because it's still not confirmed, right? So I wait. And then I said, we want to break and close above that resistance in order to hop in these. So it was taking a little bit. So I hopped in, 10, 15 minutes later, I hopped in Tesla puts just for fun and then ended up stopping out of that. And then waiting on the video and then boom, we're in the video. So I still called it a little too early. I'm not gonna lie. Like I had my finger on the send button because I thought this was gonna bounce. I thought this was just gonna push through, but then it took 5 more minutes, and then it broke through. So it was good. I was just telling them like, all right, we still need it to close above. It hasn't happened yet, and then it was obviously running up. So they said you could take profits whenever you want because we were up here. So this was a good area to take profits, as you can see. Never hit that high again. And then trimming the video here, trailing stop. So when I added, right, so typically what I'm looking for is for it to break this level, take this bounce, and make a higher high. But we failed to make a higher high. And this is typically where I would trim anyways. So I added on the bounce, right? So I trimmed profits here. So I'm still in half of my contract size, right? Half my position size. And then it comes back down for the retest. I go another full size. And then I trim. As soon as I saw this reject, I trimmed full size. So I just took everything. And then this stopped me out of my runner. I did like a 5% loss on the runner. Or 5 cents, something like that. So, yep, and then SPY 609 puts, trimmed on that, trimmed. Okay, all right, let's see. SPY we had, boom. No, I think I called those puts. I might have called them there. Let's see. No, it was at 10:30. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so I called puts right here. This is the zone that I was watching. We had this bearish move right here, right? We rejected hard and came all the way back down to support. Quick little sweep back up. So I knew we wanted to go lower. So I entered puts here. And then let me go to the 5-minute for you guys so you can see a little clearer. So yeah, boom, there you go. So we entered puts right here and then right down at previous support. It was just choppy. We sold. It wasn't giving me what I wanted. I wanted this push through initially, but I got this. So I don't like that. Like that's just, we did have candles closed, but it wasn't any confirmation. Like this is a candle close, confirmation, perfect retest, and then out. But instead, we entered here at 610.25 and sold at 609.75, right? So that was still a good move. I actually think trimmed on that, trimming SPY 1050, 12. Okay, nice. So yeah, so I did write it all the way down. 50. Yeah. All right. Cool. So pretty much, sold right here. And then I did SPY calls at the break and retest, right? So I put high risk in here because it was a lot of, there's a lot of trades. 4 trades is a lot of trades, but it is what it is, So we had this break back above and retest. And so this is where I entered calls. And then we took these calls straight back up to the top. If you can see, it just came right back inside the sell zone. And then boom. So, I like catching little reversals like that, temporary reversals. This is just levels. I mean, this is just levels today. You can see like high, low, high, low. I mean, it was an easy level play today. And then Tesla. I'm doing Tesla. Oh, that's for my. Whoa. You guys don't get to see that. No, I was kidding. So what I think is going to happen on Tesla, I might as well give you a little foresight. I think we're still going to tank. Just for the simple fact of this bear flag. So if you look at it, right, it's a bear flag. And then if you are only good at like when I first started, I could only see bull flags. I wasn't able to really see the bear flags. I didn't think it was anything. So if you inverse the chart, that's a beautiful flag, right? It's a bull flag, but we're obviously bearish. So not only do we have a break of trend, we also are forming a bear flag. So I'm excited to catch Tesla in the next week upcoming. So I'm curious to see what it does. And then today's trades. So today's trade on Tesla was those puts. And then I got these calls, right? So I actually didn't call these out in the chat, just because this was pretty, it was pretty late in the day. I think I called it in the stock chat actually. No, I didn't. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. I'm not pushing it out if it's not like everyone has their profits for the day. This is just me doing extra stuff that I shouldn't even be doing anyways because I'm already in profit. But, sometimes I'll be up and I'll be like, I give back like 150. So that's not really the best habit, but it's fun. I made an extra $30 in 10 minutes, Would you get paid per hour? Come on. So, anyways, yeah. So we caught this little reject right here. This was a double bounce off support, right? A little double bottom. Came up, gave us this beautiful 5-minute fair value gap right here. Again, real quick, if you guys like what I'm putting out, KSM Trading 25 on Instagram. I answer questions. Reach out. Let's make some money. So yeah. So then we had this little 5-minute fair value gap, and then it came right back into it. Boom, took it up. But like I said, this was the end of the day. This is 1:30, so it's not going to do much. But those were all the trades for the day. I said forward because I also traded SPX as well. Like when I entered my SPYs, I entered my SPXs. So this was when I got my entry on SPX, and that's what I got the extra 300 from. So it's fun, man. There's so many different ways to play it. Stick with it. It's the most rewarding thing ever. I think stocks it's just such a cheat code, bro. Like I said, that $30, you tell someone you make $30 in the stock market, they laugh. But it took 10 minutes to make that $30 when those people that are laughing are going to work for a whole hour of whatever it is they do to get maybe $20-$30. So I'll take the 10 minutes at my computer, Other than that, it's a boy Mike Lowry, KSM Trading 25, again on Instagram. I'm going to keep doing this stuff every day. Let's go, baby. Like and subscribe for your boy.